Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage advanced black boost settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U. So first, we need to go over and click the power button once. We will open the menu, as you guys can see in the right bottom corner. Let's select menu here. And here we will open up a menu for our Nitro. We need to go over to the gaming and here select the advanced black boost. Here we can enable it. As you guys can see, we will gain a little bit of the brightness in the dark sides. So whenever there's a dark side on our screen, so for example if something's too dark right there, then whenever we enable it, it won't be that dark. We will have that brightness that we need. So that's basically what a black boost does, and that's how you guys can either enable or disable it. So that'd be it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.